Topic is accretion disks. This topic you will find in the subject of astrophysics or astronomy. So, I have already posted few videos where the name accretion disk that was mentioned. What is accretion disk? Suppose there is a central object, central massive object like a black hole, like white dwarf, like a young star. Okay, so say there is a central massive object, okay, and surrounding that central massive object there is a molecular cloud which is highly dense, okay, highly dense molecular cloud is there. So what happens due to the gravitational forces, due to the force of gravitation from the outside molecular cloud, matter goes inward, means moves inward and start rotating around that central object. This rotating matter, this may be composed of gas, dust or any other matter. Okay, this may contain, this rotating mass may contain gas, dust or other matter. This rotating mass around that central object is known as accretion disks, and this accretion disk may form around normal sized black holes, around supermassive black holes, around white dwarf, around neutron stars, around young stars or protostars. You know that young stars are known as protostars. Okay, so this way accretion disk form. This is the way how accretion disks are formed. Now, while the accretion disks are rotating around that central object, galaxies are formed. Again, full-fledged stars are formed. It depends, mechanisms are different. The force which are involved in these dynamics are gravitational forces, then centrifugal forces, then electromagnetic fields are there, then force due to viscosity is there. So many types of forces are there which are involved in this process of evolution. If the accretion disk is formed around a young star, then result is a full-fledged star or planets around that central massive object. Planets may form. Okay, in this case what happens? From the accretion disk, matter accumulates onto the central massive object. If matter from the accretion disk accumulates on the central massive object, then a full-fledged star may form, planets may form, or other celestial bodies may form. But if the accretion disk forms around a supermassive black hole, in that case what happens? Galaxies are formed. Because in that case, when accretion disks are formed around supermassive black holes, in that case matter does not accumulate on the supermassive black hole. In that case, energy is transferred from that accretion disk to the supermassive black holes. It gets energy from the accretion disks, and that way evolution takes place. Okay, so that way galaxies are formed. Though till now the exact mechanism of formation of galaxies or formation of stars are not known. Till now. Physicists or scientists, they have made different observations using Hubble telescope, using Chandra X-ray observatory. Okay, they have used various instruments and telescopes. Then Atacama Large Millimeter Submillimeter Array, or in short that is known as ALMA, that has also been used to study the dynamics and structure of these accretion disks. Radiations are emitted from the accretion disks. You can divide accretion disks in two regions. One is inner one, another one is outer one. The inner region of the accretion disks are hotter and more turbulent. And from there, we are getting, scientists get, radiation, which varies from radio waves to X-rays. Means spectrum of radiation. A spectrum of radiation is received on the planet Earth by the scientists by using various facilities. And analyzing those things, we have concluded these things, but this conclusion is not final. Still, researches are required. More research is required in this field to know each and everything. That means to know the structure and dynamics of star formation as well as formation of the galaxies. Okay, so this was all about today's topic, accretion disks. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.